Hi there, my name's Edgar. Did you know that you can link your Salon by Premiere software system with your Facebook account? This will allow you to save posts for later or send them immediately. So, today I'll show you exactly how to do this. First, log into Manager if you're a single site spa or salon, or Administrator if you are multi-site. Next, click the System Setup icon, that's the two cogs or gears. In the System Setup menu, you can then click the Main System Details, that's the clipboard in the top left. In the next section that appears, find the Social Media Accounts section on the left. Click to highlight this. You will then be presented with a list of social media icons. At the top, you will see the option to log into Facebook. Click the button to bring up a new window. If you have set up a Facebook account for your business, enter the email address for it at the top, then the password in the box below. Once you've entered these, click the Login button. As your business page is likely linked to a personal profile, click the Continue as Your Name button, followed by the blue Next button. You will then receive confirmation that your account has been linked. Click the blue OK button. Once done, you'll be taken back to Salon by Premiere software, where you will see the text stating that your site is linked to a Facebook account. Click the back arrow to head back to the main menu, where you can now start to save and send posts from the marketing menu, which we'll cover more in our next video. You'll now know how to link Salon to your Facebook account. For other how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos? We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premiere Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.